Hi friends, I'm back with another video and today we'll be discussing about the TCL operators. And these operators are used for various operations in TCL, and these operations can be performed on variables, string, list, arrays, etc. So the different kind of operators which we'll be we'll be discussing in this our lecture series is arithmetic, relational, logical, then bitwise, and various others. We'll also be seeing in this particular series about string pattern matching, list, array, and string manipulations. Today, we'll be discussing about arithmetic only. Rest others will be discussing in my next upcoming videos. So I'll just give you a brief about few of them, few of these operators. So when I talk about arithmetic, arithmetic includes your summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, your trigonometric expressions. So basically, TCL can work as a calculator using arithmetic operations. And so mathematical operations, which requires some like plus, minus, all these. Then relational, logical, and others will be seeing in upcoming videos. So, as I mentioned just now, the article can be used as calculator by using below operators. A plus B, A minus B, A multiply by B, A division by B, A percentage of B, and then furthermore. And we'll be seeing some examples of these in our tickle console. Before we do some calculations on tickle console, let me give you an idea of other mathematical operations that we can do with tickle. So let's start with our practicals. Set A 10, set B 20. Now set C. $A plus. This is very basic and we have been doing it since I think first class, first lecture only. So it gives you value 30. Basic, simple and easy. Now there is a catch in this particular expression. This expression also gives me value 30. Both expressions are correct. Both of my commands are correct. But then there is a catch. And the catch is in the braces. The command which is square with the square braces are faster. Tickle interpreter here when I'm writing it without the braces, then what tickle interpreter does is it first does the substitution of A, then substitution of B, and then it interprets EXPR. However, when I'm writing same command with the braces, with the curly braces, then what tickle does is it interprets EXPR first and simultaneously it is taking the value of $A and $B. And hence this is faster. Since this particular command right now is very small, hence we are unable to see the difference. If the calculation is real big, then you will be seeing that commands with curly braces are 7 times faster than without the curly braces. Now, when I'm doing EXPR $A minus $B, it's giving you minus 10, which is correct. So, here it explains that your tickle understands not only positive numbers, but it understands negative numbers as well. This is plus 10. So in these both the commands, you can see the difference. When I'm doing $A minus $B, it's giving you minus 10. And when I'm doing $B minus $A, it's giving you plus 10. Now let's see multiplication, which is pretty easy. There's no catch. But then let's see whether it's able to divide the numbers properly or not. Oops, $A divided by $B. It's giving me answer as 0, which is obviously wrong. So what am I missing here? Am I missing something? Yes. The values which I have defined for A and B right now are whole numbers, while the answer that I want is a real number. So what I should be doing? I should be defining my variables as real numbers. Now, you see, we have gotten the right answer. So we have to make sure, like whatever we are defining, article will be giving you answer in the same format. Okay, so we need to be careful while defining our values. Now, trigonometric functions. Let's look into that. EXPR sine 60. Is this value correct? I remember studying in my childhood sine 60 is not negative. It's positive root 3 by 2. So what am I doing wrong? Okay, I'm defining 60. But this 60, I'm trying to define this 60 as degrees. But this 60 here is taken into consideration as radian. So what I have to do is I have to convert this 60 into radian first. So rad value to convert it into radians, what I have to do is EXPR 60 multiplied by pi, whose value is 3.14, and divide by 180. I hope you remember this maths. Okay. Let me change my braces here because this is how it's gonna be. Okay. So now you understood the importance of brackets. Choosing the correct bracket is the most important thing in tickle. Now, in radian, I have got this value. Now let's see what answer will I be getting if I write dollar that underscore value. So it's 0.8657 blah blah blah. To check whether this value is correct or not, let's do this thing. EXPR square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so we are not getting exactly same value, but yes, it's near to the same value. So yeah, if I round off this 0.8657, then it becomes 0.866, which is 0.866, and which gives you a very closer value to each other. Okay, hence proved that reticle may not be exactly accurate, but yes, performs all kind of trigonometric and mathematical functions which you may require in any of your calculations. That's all for today's video. We'll just look on to some practice questions. Now, please practice these questions at your end. Put the answers in comments. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comments. Also, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be updated. Also, let me know if you want me to do a video on some specific topic regarding VLSI, optical and VLSI. Yeah, that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye.